It's a good day for compact phone lovers as the vivo X200 FE is official. The device was announced in Taiwan and is expected to make way to global market soon. It brings capable specs of 6.31-inch AMOLED screen, 350 megapixel camera and a massive 6500 mAh battery, all packed in a phone that is 72mm wide and 151mm tall. The latest edition, it flaunts a Full HD plus 120Hz refresh rate with integrated fingerprint scanner and 50 megapixel selfie camera. It's 7.99mm thick with and weighs 186 grams. It is IP68-69 rated against water and dust resistance. It's about 90-watt fast charging. It can last over 25 hours on YouTube playback and 9.5 hours of gaming as per vivo's internal test. When you do a recharge, it'll charge the phone within 57 minutes. It comes with Dimensity 9300 plus SoC with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The cameras on the back has Zeiss optics. It has a main 50 megapixel IMX921 sensor with f1.88 aperture and OIS. It has a 12 megapixel 150 megapixel 1:2 50 MP periscope camera with f2.65 aperture and 8 megapixel ultra wide module. The software is covered with FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15. vivo X200 FE comes in black, pink, yellow and blue color. Pricing and availability are not given at the time.